Automation sounds complicated, right? You hear the term and probably picture complex code and expensive software. But for most small businesses, that's not what you need. You need simple, practical automation that just gets rid of the repetitive work that drains your time. In this video, I'll show you how to build your own AI automation system, step by step, and you won't need to write a single line of code. Welcome to AI Business Blueprint. This channel is dedicated to helping business owners like you use AI to save time, reduce effort, and grow your business smarter. Everything we cover today is beginner-friendly, so you don't need any technical background to follow along. Let's start by understanding what AI automation really means for a small business. AI automation isn't about replacing your entire business with robots. It's much simpler. It's a basic three-step process. A task happens, an AI responds to that task, and a result is created automatically. For example, a customer submits a form on your website. The AI automatically sends them a personalized reply, and you get notified that a new lead has come in. Automation simply connects these actions so that the work happens in the background, without you needing to do it manually every single time. It's about creating a smooth, efficient flow of work. Now, it's important to know that not every task should be automated. The trick is to pick the right ones. The best tasks for automation are repetitive, predictable, time-consuming, and don't require much complex decision-making. Think about things like standard email replies, appointment confirmations, following up with new leads, scheduling your social media content, or sending yourself internal reminders. If you find yourself doing the exact same task every day or every week, that's a perfect candidate for automation. Start by making a list. What do you do over and over? Maybe it's answering the same 3 questions from new clients. Maybe it's sending a reminder email the day before a meeting. Or perhaps it's posting to your social media accounts. Write these down. These repetitive tasks are the foundation of your new automation system. Once you see them on paper, you can begin to reclaim that time. Every automation, no matter how simple or complex, follows the same basic flow: a trigger, an AI action, and an outcome. The trigger is the event that starts the process. The AI action is the task the system performs, and the outcome is the final result. Let's use a common example. The trigger is someone filling out the contact form on your website. The AI action is to use the information from that form to draft a personalized reply email. The outcome is that the email gets sent to the potential customer automatically. This same trigger, action, outcome structure works for almost everything: marketing, customer support, and administrative tasks. A new subscriber on your email list is a trigger. The action is an AI sending them a welcome series of emails. The outcome is a new lead being nurtured automatically. Once you start thinking in terms of this simple 3-part structure, the concept of automation becomes much less intimidating and much more practical. It's a framework you can apply to any part of your business. Customer communication is one of the best and easiest places to start with automation. Why? Because it has a huge impact. AI can help your business reply faster, stay consistent with your messaging, and dramatically reduce the time you spend buried in your inbox. This isn't about replacing genuine human connection, it's about handling the routine questions so you have more time for the important conversations. Imagine you run a service-based business. You can automate the initial response to new inquiries, providing instant answers to frequently asked questions about your services or pricing. You can automate booking confirmations and reminders. Customers love this. They get the information they need immediately, without waiting for you to manually reply. On your end, you save hours every single week. This is a clear win-win. You improve your operational efficiency, and you deliver a better, more professional customer experience at the same time. Next, let's talk about marketing. Effective marketing requires consistency, but consistency takes time. This is where AI automation becomes your secret weapon. It allows your marketing to run on autopilot, even when you're busy with other things. AI can help by generating drafts for your social media content, scheduling posts across different platforms at optimal times, sending out your weekly email campaigns, and even following up with leads who have shown interest but haven't purchased yet. Here's a practical example. You can sit down for a couple of hours and plan out your entire week or month of content. Then, You use an AI tool to help you draft the captions and schedule all the posts in one go. At the same time, your email follow-up sequence for new leads is running automatically in the background. This means your marketing continues to work for you, attracting and nurturing customers even when you're offline, on vacation, or focused on delivering your product or service. Automation isn't just for external tasks. Internal operations are often filled with small, repetitive jobs that quietly slow your business down. AI can help streamline these as well. Think about things like task reminders, summarizing notes from your meetings, generating weekly performance reports, or organizing internal documents. These are small things that, when automated, add up to significant time savings and better organization. For instance, after a team meeting, you could use an AI tool that listens to a recording and automatically creates a concise summary, pulls out the key action items, and assigns follow-up tasks to the right people in your project management system. With a system like this, nothing gets forgotten or lost in a notebook. Every commitment is captured and tracked. This keeps your entire team aligned and ensures that progress continues to be made without constant manual oversight. Now, as powerful as automation is, many businesses stumble when they first try to implement it. There are a few common mistakes to avoid. The biggest one is trying to automate everything all at once. This leads to overwhelm. Another is using too many different tools, which just creates more complexity. Some people also make the mistake of skipping the testing phase, only to find their automation isn't working correctly. And finally, many overcomplicate their workflows from the start. The solution to all of these problems is simple. Start small. Pick just one repetitive task from the list you made earlier. Set up a simple automation for it using one tool. Then test it thoroughly to make sure it works exactly as you intended. Once you have one successful automation running smoothly, you can move on to the next one. The goal of automation is to reduce your stress and workload, not add to it. So, build it gradually, one simple step at a time. So let's do a final recap. A simple, effective AI automation system for your business doesn't require coding or complexity. It's built on 3 core ideas: clear triggers that kick off a process, using AI to handle the repetitive work, and an automatic outcome that completes the task for you. This is the smart, no-code way for small businesses to operate more efficiently, save countless hours, and scale without burning out. It's not about working harder, it's about building smarter systems. If you want more practical, no-code AI systems that you can copy and implement in your own business, make sure you subscribe to AI Business Blueprint. In the next video, I'll be breaking down the top AI tools that every small business should consider using first to get the biggest results with the least effort. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.